2 whole carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 1 small tomato, half of a large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, half teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon thyme. Now add 10 cups of water. Give it a little bit of a stir. Okay, let's close this up here. And now we're gonna set it on high for 5 minutes. So it's gonna cook for 5 minutes and it's gonna fully naturally release. Full natural release, however you say it. Okay, we're gonna pop this guy open and see what it looks like here. It's done doing its natural release thing, and I'll kind of pick the camera up. But yeah, we're gonna strain all the veggies out of that. Okay, we're gonna very carefully strain this. And there is our final result. And you can see you do get some good color out of the veggie stock. There you have it, folks. Quick, easy veggie stock or veggie broth, whatever you want to call it. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more cooking videos like this. Until next time guys, take care.